Lovemydolphinz, this is Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. You might be a little confused by this video, but come on in, sit down, let's have a chat. So if you are a gem member of my channel, that's where you have the added perks and you pay that monthly fee every Friday. And I've been doing double Fridays. Every 2 Fridays, I do 2 scoops. It's a makeup lucky scoop. It's things that I have sitting here in my house that are brand new in the box, makeup items, other items I got from subscription boxes or just bought and didn't use. I do a scoop, I choose a gem member, I send it out to you, and yeah, so that's what we do. So let's see who is going to, well, we got a scoop first, and then we will choose. All of my gem members' names are in this right here. So let's go ahead and do a makeup lucky scoop and get to picking. I'm so excited. This is like one of my favorite videos to do. Okay, ready? Pools on the bed because mom life. I've still got to put away my laundry. Don't judge me. Or, you know, I mean, it is what it is. All right. See? Oh yeah, mom life. Ha. Okay. So, and I got to get ready to go to my second job. All right. So here we are. Now, what's this doing here? Kona, did you put that there? Did you? All right. Woo! Here we are. Yes. This is filled with confetti and all kinds of makeup. All kinds of, oh, I think this might be eyeshadow palette week. Yes, I've added stuff throughout the week. Gonna do 3 scoops. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa! That is so cool. I love it. All right. All right. Are you guys ready? Put my confetti back in here. First scoop. Here we are. Should we check out the items first? Should we? Okay. Let's go. There's 4 items in here. Let's put the confetti back. All right. And here we go. The first thing up is the cream shop. And this looks like it is the shading cream trio. So this here is to contour the face. These are the shades. So basically from light skin, sorry about the fingerprints. I'll clean that before I send it out, but obviously it's never been used. Here are the shades here. So that is the first item. Are you ready for the next? Okay, next up is Express Yourself, another eyeshadow palette. All right. Well, the other one was not eyeshadow, but okay. So she never been used, of course. Here's all the shades here. And this is what, the cream shop? Yeah, or beauty crop. I'm sorry. Beauty crop. All right, moving on. By ZC, we have Bar Joyful Game. This is a magnetic eyeshadow palette. Let me go ahead and show you. Almost looks like one of those has been used, but it hasn't. Here it is here. This, I guess the way that they're sitting in here kind of looks a little, well, just 1 or 2 of them. Anyhow, here it is here. This is one that smells like plastic. Sorry about that, but yeah. So we have that here. Then last, by Miura, we have the Daydream series palette. There might be some confetti in here. Sorry, guys. Okay, it has a mirror, and look at these. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, now we want to know who got it, who won, right? All right, let me put these things back in here. All right. Had to find a clear spot in here to put it. I was like, yeah, a lot going on. Okay, oh, I don't know why my tweezers are in there, but here we go. Choosing gem member. Oh, I got confetti in my coffee. Darn it. Stacy. Flawed and Fabulous. Some of you may know her as Flawed and Fabulous. Yay! Congratulations, Stacy. All of that is yours. And now we are moving on to the next scoop. Are you ready? All right. We are scooping. Scooping. Dun, 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 dun. outside to clean it. My dog's food scooper. Oh, I don't think there was anything in that one. There we go. Woo! Get rid of some of that confetti. All right, here we are. The second scoop. What do we have? Oh my gosh. Okay. There's a lot of confetti in here. Oh, I thought I got more than that. I think the confetti bunched up. All right, there's 3 items in here. Okay. And here we are. The first thing up is Powder Blush by Beauty Bay. Let's check out the shade, so in case the winner wants to know. More confetti. My parents thought I was crazy, by the way, when I told them I was doing this, the Makeup Lucky Scoop. You've probably seen it on TikTok. Okay, here's the shade. That's gorgeous. Wow, she is pretty. The shade name is Coral. Well, how convenient, because it's coral. Oh my goodness. Okay, next item up is by Illuminati Gel Paint. These are eyeliners. There is a blue and a pink one in here. I have used them. They're pretty pigmented. I do like them. And the last item is the One Size Visionary Palette. Yes. Okay. I knew there'd be like a handy way to, you know, declutter brand new in the box stuff. I'm so excited that we're doing this. All right. Here it is here. And this was designed for long nails. You guys told me that because I was like, my palette broke when I first got it. You know, well, I have mine. This one is the one that hasn't been touched. Here are the shades here. That's everything. Now we need to choose a winner. So there's 3 items. Whoop, hang on. I'll probably put it in the right way because the way the box is. Oh my goodness. All right, hang on. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. I have to get to my night job too. Okay, so we're ready. And just so you guys know, once a gem member's name is pulled out of here, they do not go back in. So it gives everybody a chance, a fair chance. Okay. Good one. Oh, it's Amanda! Congratulations, Amanda. Yay! I'm so excited. Well, that concludes our 2 lucky scoops for the past 2 Fridays. If you guys have any questions at all whatsoever, let me know that down in the comments. If you want to know more about gem memberships, I can include a clip in here, or you can just click that join button. You may not see it from your mobile device. You might have to be on a laptop or a tablet to see it. But if you do have any questions, there's 3 different tiers, and it's just stuff that I offer you guys. You get a welcome gift. You also get a ticket. I am doing the tickets, raffle tickets for the end of year giveaway. I'm sending them through the email, so make sure that you check your email. And so if you haven't gotten a ticket in the mail, it's either going to come in the mail or it's going to be in your email. Anyhow, if you've got any questions, put that down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do enjoy getting to know all of you. It's been so exciting, seeing my channel grow and seeing the new people, the new friends I have, and you guys interacting with the older friends that I have that have been with me since day one. It's so exciting. So thank you for being here. If, like I said, you do have any questions in the comment section, if I can't answer something, I'm sure someone down there can as well. And then, guys, I look forward to talking with you there. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you guys real soon in another video. Bye.